Today's tutorial, how to read barcodes and QR codes using OCR in C#. Welcome everyone to this tutorial where we'll explore using IronOCR to read barcodes and QR codes from PDF documents. IronOCR is a powerful tool for extracting text and data, images and PDFs, including various types of code. So I've already installed IronOCR in my project using the NuGet Package Manager. So let's open the program.cs file to get started. First, we import IronOCR and specify the IronOCR license key. This step is crucial to enabling the library's full features. Then we set up IronOCR by initializing the Iron Tesseract OCR engine and configuring it to enable barcode reading. Using the OCR PDF input class, we load a PDF document named PDF with barcodes.pdf and use Iron Tesseract's read method to extract barcodes from it and print the extracted barcodes in the console. Similarly, IronOCR can also handle QR codes. We load another PDF document called PDF with QR codes.pdf using the OCR PDF input class and configure IronOCR to extract QR codes. Then we'll print the extracted text on the console. So here are the PDF files for both barcode and QR code that we'll use in this tutorial. So let's go ahead and run the program and wait for the execution to complete. Okay, it's finished, and the console shows text and barcode efficiently extracted from PDF with barcodes PDF file. And next, it shows text and QR codes extracted from the PDF with QR codes file. All right, this concludes our tutorial on how to read barcodes and QR codes. IronOCR really simplifies the task of reading barcodes and QR codes in C# applications by offering a really straightforward API and robust functionality for OCR tasks. By configuring OCR to recognize these specific types of codes and providing it with the relevant documents, developers can efficiently integrate barcode and QR code reading capabilities into their applications. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with Iron PDF, please sign up for the trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of the software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.